The nights are longer now, the stars are fading. I hear your voice, but it's just my heart waiting. The echoes of goodbye still linger in the air, but you're not here, and it's too much to bear. The dreams we had, they slipped through my hands like sand in the wind, falling without a plan. And I'm drowning in the silence of your name. Every tear that falls, it's always the same. I can't forget, no matter how I try. I'm just a shadow of the love we left behind. In the emptiness, I feel you slip away, and I'll never know if you wanted to stay. The memories cut deeper with every breath I take. In a world without you, nothing feels safe. I keep your picture close, but it burns me inside. The love we had, now just a place to hide. The words you said, now they're breaking apart, like a shattered mirror reflecting my heart. And I'm drowning in the silence of your name. Every tear that falls, it's always the same. I can't forget, no matter how I try. I'm just a shadow of the love we left behind. In the emptiness, I feel you slip away, and I'll never know if you wanted to stay. The seasons change, but my heart stays cold. I wear your absence like a heavy coat, and I'll keep asking myself if it was worth the pain. If I could